I'm Natty.
And I'm Lennin.
And we just got
Lockdown in Lockdown.
As newlyweds, one of Lennon's goals is to learn how to cook, so we're going to make an easy steak curry.
This meal is inspired by Natty's late grandfather, Uncle Bobby, more lovingly known as Bobby Daddy.
So I laid out the ingredients for Lennon just to make it a little easier for him. This is 300 grams of steak, which I cut up for him. And then thyme, which I put on the top to make it easier when he puts it into the pot. This is half an onion chopped up. 1 teaspoon masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and half a teaspoon garam masala, and then rough salt. And I've put his oil on the heat already.
Okay, so the first thing I want to do is put my onions in, but before I do that, I want to ensure that the temperature of the oil is correct. So I'm just going to drop in 1 onion. Okay, so the oil sounds like it's ready and the onion is already frying, so I'm going to drop the rest of the onions in. I'm going to wait for it to become translucent in color, so it'll be a bit transparent, just so there's sweetness still in the onions. Okay, so the onions are now translucent, and I need to add in my spices. Okay, so I'm just going to drop them all in. Okay. And I need to stir it. Okay, so the spices have cooked in with the onions for about a minute, and it already smells very nice. So now I'm going to drop in the steak. Okay, so I'm going to mix it up together. Smells good. Okay, so I'm going to let it cook now. The pot, to ensure that everything cooks in, I'm just going to leave my lid on this side. Okay, so now I'm just going to add my salt in. Just stir this a bit. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Okay. Right, so a pinch of salt, I've learned it is, you take your hand like this, and you grab the salt as much as you can. So it looks kind of like this. I'm going to drop my salt in. Okay, and I've added my salt, and I'm going to stir it up for a while. I've always wanted to add salt in like that. Smells very, very nice. Okay, so the steak is ready, and all that's left for me is to take it off the stove. The stove is being put off, and we're done. Okay, so I've dished out the steak onto our plates. We usually like having it with fresh white bread, and here you go. This is easy steak curry for two.